Hello, good morning. My name is Robert Barry, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Once again, I'm here to do a Power Lead System update review. And so, what I want to get into, guys, I want to show you some of my latest results, and I want to show you guys that this tool it's all about providing fresh content for you guys and also show you that it's all about helping people get their desired results, right? And so in a team effort, in a collaborative atmosphere, if you help as many persons achieve their goals somewhere down the line, you will achieve your goals as well. And so getting right into it, just for purposes of being transparent, I want to go over here to Google and just simply show you guys the time it is, and us as marketers, we put so much time and effort into doing the necessary things to in order to make our businesses run like a well-oiled machine. So I just want you guys to simply see what time it is in the Bahamas. During these hours here around the world, a lot of persons are in bed sleeping, but here I am shooting a video at the wee hours in the morning. And if I hadn't said it before, my name is Robert Barry, and I live in the beautiful islands here in the Bahamas. So I'm simply going to type in time. All right, so time in the Bahamas. Right. So at the recording of this video, it is now 12:50 a.m. in the morning, Monday, the 16th November, 2020. Right. And so, guys, I want to get into this. I was having a conversation. Well, there was a post in the official Facebook group, right? And so Rob asked a question. Good afternoon. I am a lead lightning, right? He's trying to say he's a lead lightning member. I was wondering how to better monetize with PLS, my Amazon affiliate website. Anybody doing something similar? All right. So one of the benefits of the PLS system slash lead lightning is you can use the lead lightning tool to promote any business online, right? And so no matter what type of business you are in, you're able to promote that business by advertising your lead lightning website link. And I'm going to take you guys through how this is able to happen, right? So I'm going to log into the back office of my Power Lead system, the Lightning back office, and explain it to you so you guys can get a greater understanding of what it is that I'm talking about as it relates to being able to promote, right? All right, so I'm in the back office of my Power Lead system, right? And so, for example, let's say if Rob has his Lead Lightning link, right? He is a Lead Lightning member, right? And so now he wants to know how he can leverage the Lead Lightning opportunity, Lead Lightning tool to assist him in promoting Amazon, his Amazon right here, his Amazon affiliate website link, right? And so how that happens is that Rob will grab his Amazon website affiliate link, bring it over here to the lead lightning, and he will copy it and paste that very same link right in here. He is then going to click update, and so now he is ready to promote his Amazon link through Lead Lightning. Now, how is that going to happen is, let's say Rob sends his lead lightning link to Mary, right? And Mary goes ahead and enters all of her name and email address into the capture page of Rob's lead lightning capture page, right? And so on the front end, lead lightning will go ahead and promote the lead lightning opportunity, and through a series of emails that she will get to her email inbox, that link will be promoting Rob's Amazon affiliate link. And so it creates a second stream of income. So you're promoting one link, right? And you're opening up the door for potentially earning a second stream of income. That is powerful. I don't think many people that is a part of the lightning opportunity, or even persons that aren't, realize how powerful it is. Where on the World Wide Web, or how many businesses out there where you can promote one link and turn it into multiple streams of income? And so I sent him a message. So I just want to share with you. And the funny thing is, I had just did a video on explaining how one can go about and make this happen. And so I just want to share. So I said, hello, Rob. What you can do with it is promote Amazon affiliate link by inserting it into the back office of Lead Lightning. That way, Lead Lightning will automatically promote your Amazon link, right? And so he says, okay, that's an idea. And so I responded, I am on a Zoom call. So I was basically telling him I was on a team Zoom call at the moment. And here it is. If you can see, I also sent him the video that I would have did explaining how he would be able to go and accomplish this. Now, please keep in mind, Rob is not a part of my team. And so I will do what I can to do to help anyone that is in the official Power Lead System group. So anyone that partners with me, I encourage them and let them know it is imperative for you to join the Power Lead System official Facebook group. The creators of this system, all of the top leaders, are inside of this group, and they drop little nuggets, and you are free to ask questions. Now, one may ask, how do I become a part of the Power Lead System? How do I partner with Robert Barry? If you're out there and you have a business and you are looking for ways to advertise your business, my website link is going to be at the very bottom of the video. I'm also going to add in my Facebook contact. You guys can add me, send me a message, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Also, at this time, if you have not already, smash that subscribe button, click the bell so you guys would get notification whenever I post new and fresh content. Now, I want to, at this time, take you over to my Gmail inbox so you guys can see some of my updated results, right? And so right now I'm in the back office. Sorry, I'm in my Gmail inbox, right? And so if you guys can see, I'm getting consistent leads, right? Which brings me to my next point. When you partner with me, what I do is I give you my exact daily strategies and methods that consistently get me leads and sales on a daily basis. And so you can see here, I'm shooting this video at 12:50 to 12:44. I had a lead come in at 11:46. I had another lead at 10:07. I got a $6 commission. Now this $6 commission is very powerful because persons that are interested in joining the Lead Lightning opportunity, where you would promote one link, and if you are part of, you have another opportunity, you can insert that link, potentially positioning yourself to make an extra stream of income. Or you're out there and you're in the World Wide Web and you're looking for something very inexpensive, less than the price of a Happy Meal at McDonald's. You know, you have $7. You can pay or join this opportunity or partner with me for a one-time payment of $7. One-time payment and of $7, and you guys are able, you position yourself to make an unlimited cash flow of $6 per referral, right? And so that is very powerful. And just to push it over the edge, I want to show you guys let me show you guys how powerful $6 is. PRICESSPOSSIB. All right, so this is another email address that I have. So as you can see here, $6, $6, $6, $6, $6, $6, $6. I have made my $7 1,000 times over, right? So this would be a $7 well spent. Also on top of that, you have autoresponders, you have Capture Paid. It's an all-in-one marketing system, right? Also, guys, not tooting my horn, but I want to show you what my results. All right, so I want to show you just the leaderboard here. These are the latest results of the leaderboard. So if you guys can see here, I am number 3 with most sales with the lead lightning funnel, right? And so it just goes to show that the method and the daily advertising strategies that my team and I are executing, it is working, guys. It is working, right? And so we help as much people as we can along the way. At the same time, we have our secret sauce, and those who partner with me, they get full access to all of my daily advertising strategies, right? And so, like I said, I'm number 2 with the most lead lightning sales, right? I'm getting multiple daily $6 commissions. If you guys are interested, my website link is going to be at the bottom of the video. My name is Robert Barry. I'll see you guys in another video shortly. Peace out.